On October 3rd, 2025, a Volusia County deputy arrested a driver for fleeing and eluding law enforcement after she ignored clear commands to stop. This case demonstrates how a minor traffic citation can escalate into a felony charge through poor decision-making. Let's analyze the legal framework.
15 Delta 21, just confirming you're at the police department.
Hi there. Do you guys know whose white Mustang this is?
Tell her to come out. Yeah.
I'll let him know in a second.
My daughter's right.
Okay. Yeah, can you have him step out? Hi. Do I look familiar? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement.
What?
I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me.
What?
Yes, ma'am. It's all on body cam.
Because you just...
Nope, I walked out of the road and was telling you to stop.
You walked out on the
Yep,
road. You
correct,
didn't-
and I was telling you to stop. It's all on body cam. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. Come here. And I'll be at 2793 Neverland Drive. I am a law enforcement officer, fully uniformed, telling you to stop because you're passing all those cars in a double yellow.
I passed one car.
You passed
I passed
multiple.
one car. I passed
It doesn't matter. You still fled law enforcement. And then you rapidly accelerated as you went by me. You didn't stop, didn't do anything, didn't even hit the brakes.
You want help with that, sir?
No, I was going the speed limit across.
No, you weren't.
Can I talk to someone else?
It was just me there. I don't know who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to?
Maybe your supervisor?
Yeah, he's on his way. You're more than welcome to. That's fleeing and eluding law enforcement. So.
And I'll be en route to 9 motor 11.
Until we get a cage car here, she can have a seat if she wants, okay?
I'm calling that there's, give her that chair to sit. She's not answering.
Is she at work? Yeah.
Go ahead and sit down for me. Do you have anything on you? Because I have a female that's going to come search you.
No.
Okay.
Terminate?
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, no, I literally was at Clubhouse and Pioneer. I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look and she's in the middle of passing vehicles. Coming back over, I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it. So,
Okay.
that's fleeing and eluding.
Alright.
So,
Can we go to court for this?
absolutely, you're going to be going to court no matter what.
And you said you have it on dash cam?
I have it on body cam.
Okay.
Even better, because I was right there.
Oh, okay.
9 X-ray 92. Can you start my rotation for the white Mustang in my call? Oh, you did? Disregard. I think 9 motor 11 already did it.
Yeah, they're in route. I don't think I put it in there yet.
Do you have the key to the car?
I'll get it.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. They're arresting me for fleeing and eluding. I passed in a double line, and then an officer came. I said, I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on Pioneer Trail. He came out and ran in front of, like, he half ran in front of my, like, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. And then, now I'm getting arrested for it because I parked at Mia's because he said I was fleeing. But he wasn't even behind me with lights on or anything.
Doesn't
like that.
matter. Don't need to be. Thank you. I absolutely don't need to have lights, sirens activated. I'm a fully uniformed law enforcement officer telling you to stop.
Do you have your laptop in there? I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Officer Riera, New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Do you have anything for school?
What officer who?
Officer Riera with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Hey, Riera, how you
Okay,
doing?
good. So, literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me to the point where I have to jump in my car, which was parked several hundred feet away because I was investigating a hit and run crash, and now all of a sudden she's gone nowhere. So then I obviously find the car and make contact with her. So I don't need to have lights and sirens on behind her or anything like that. I'm a fully uniformed police officer. I was given clear hand signals to stop, and I have a witness who was the victim of my hit and run crash who watched the entire thing. So, you know, of course, that meets statute requirements for fleeing and eluding. I don't mean to be a jerk about it or anything like that, but that's where we're at, okay?
How far did she go from when you tried to gesture her to stop?
Over a mile when I was telling her to stop her vehicle. So she didn't try to pull off the road down the street, nothing like that.
Was she able to see you? Or?
Oh yeah, I am in a. She just told me I saw him in my uniform, so that's all I need. Like, and I know she saw me because I was about in the middle of the road to where she would, before she would run me over, so I didn't want to get ran over because she was already doing 65 plus. So, you know, I have everything I need for fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. So she can take it to court. It's going to go to court no matter what, but that's what I have. It meets statute requirements. That's what we're doing. Okay.
Okay. Can you put her back on the phone?
Yeah, you're on speaker.
Hey.
Okay.
It's just for lunch.
Yeah.
I guess so, yeah.
Alright. You'll learn a lesson eventually. You know. So what do you got? Have you contacted your mom yet?
She won't answer.
Okay.
She's at
So
work.
they're gonna. So you'll probably be in jail for the weekend then.
Yeah, okay.
So.
Because you're not gonna get out right away. Why were you going that fast down Pioneer Trail?
I passed one car. I passed one car because he was going like 30, and I passed him.
Okay, so when he waved
And it was
you
the
down,
double
why
yellow
didn't you-
line, so I shouldn't have.
Why didn't what?
Because I didn't.
Quiet, or you'll stay in that place for a week. Listen to me. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
You're good.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
So why didn't you pull over at the time when he waved you down to stop? Why didn't you stop?
Because it wasn't like he was. I really didn't even know. I just saw a person in white and black, and then
Doing this. Full.
he had one
fully-
hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He was just, he like literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
Okay, so when he came to pull you over.
He didn't. He came over and found my car and pulled
It's
me
all on
over.
body cam, sir. I was almost in the roadway. The reason I didn't go all the way in the roadway is because she was going so fast I didn't want to get hit by her, because obviously I could see that she was
The
not slowing
65
down.
is just what he thinks.
Okay, sir, you are being so cocky.
I'm
right
actually an
now.
instructor for speed
It's
measurement,
not
so
even funny.
smart.
I'm not laughing.
I wouldn't be laughing. It's a felony. You committed a felony. Don't laugh at that.
Yeah, I mean, you're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners.
Yeah, this has been her the entire time, sir.
I know. That's what I don't get with her. It's just total ridiculous. So you don't understand what you just did. You
I
really
do.
don't. Oh, you do you? Really? Like, how do you understand what you're doing? Because you're being a smartass the whole time to me, too. So I can only imagine how you're speaking to an officer.
It's all on body cam. I've been trying to be respectful to her, but
Right, I don't get it. Like, so you just totally just screwed yourself inside and out for what you just did. Big time, because now your car's going to get towed to the impound. You got to pay to get that out, too, now.
Yeah, he
You
said
know?
30 days.
You
yep. But there's going to be a 30-day hold on it. There's going to be a 30-day hold on it.
So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now, too, because you don't have no damn manners. And you know what? It's going to take something like this to f*** you up now.
The deputy observed the white Mustang passing vehicles in the clearly marked no passing zone, violating Florida statute section 316.0875. Standing in full uniform in the roadway with both hands raised, the deputy issued clear verbal commands. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Okay.
The driver failed to comply and accelerated away. This action triggered Florida statute section 316.1935. Fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony. The statute requires 4 elements. First, a law enforcement officer in an authorized vehicle with lights and siren. OR, an officer in official uniform clearly identified as law enforcement. Second, the officer must order the driver to stop. Third, the driver willfully refuses or fails to stop. Fourth, the driver flees the scene. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims from 1977, officers conducting lawful traffic stops have authority to order occupants from vehicles. This applies regardless of whether the officer is in a marked patrol vehicle, as long as they are clearly identifiable as law enforcement. The deputy's decision not to engage in a high-speed pursuit reflects sound tactical judgment. Many departments restrict pursuits for nonviolent felonies to protect public safety. Instead, he used the vehicle description and license information to locate the Mustang safely at the subject's residence. Under the Fourth Amendment, the deputy had probable cause for arrest. He personally witnessed both the traffic violation and the willful failure to stop for his commands. Graham versus Connor from 1989 establishes that officer actions must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. The deputy articulated clear reasons for the arrest, stating, "I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me." This communication satisfies Florida case law requiring officers to inform arrestees of charges when practical, ensuring due process protection. The subject's claim that she didn't see the uniformed officer in the roadway with hands raised, issuing verbal commands, is legally insufficient as a defense. Florida Statute 316.1935 requires only that the driver knew or should have known the person signaling them was law enforcement. A uniformed officer in the roadway with raised hands issuing clear verbal commands satisfies this knowledge requirement under any reasonable interpretation. The deputy's professionalism throughout the interaction demonstrates modern policing standards. He allowed family contact, explained procedures, and extended courtesies. His decision to recuff the subject with hands in front after she calmed down shows de-escalation skills and appropriate use of discretion. Body-worn cameras serve a critical function here. The deputy referenced the footage multiple times, knowing it would provide objective documentation of his clearly visible uniform and commands. This technology protects both officers against false accusations and citizens against misconduct, creating accountability through transparent evidence. The charges filed were fleeing and eluding law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment, improper passing in a no-passing zone, a moving violation, and failure to stop for a lawful command from a law enforcement officer, a misdemeanor.
And now you're done because you're so goddamn arrogant and cocky the whole damn time when you could
Go ahead.
talk to the officer normally, but you didn't. You had to be a real jerk, didn't you?
This is Tara.
I know you, Tara. You can't bullshit me. He's got the body cam on. So you just totally screwed your whole shit up. Nursing degree, everything. You just did it because you're being Tara. Invincible. But guess what? You're going to spend a weekend in jail, and you'll see how invincible you are. And you know what? It might teach you a lesson now, maybe. You know? Because you just don't listen. That's your problem. You don't listen. So that cockiness finally caught up to you.
Hey there. You just mind searching her real quick. Did you hear your dad?
Alright, so when you get to jail, you get one phone
So
call.
just follow her instructions.
So you figure out who you're going to call, you know, to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start bitching at her and stuff, she gonna make you sit. You call me, I'll make you ass sit too, because I'm not putting up with this shit. You know, you got an attitude, Tara. It's gotta change. It gotta change. It's ridiculous. This might be your game changer. You know, you could have been probably polite to the officer from the get-go, and you probably wouldn't be in the situation you are right now. And I bet if you asked the officer that, your cockiness has probably put you in that position right there. I I guarantee you.
All right. She's getting searched right now by a female deputy. Do you have anything else for her? If not, we're gonna
No,
load her
that's
up
it.
and do some paperwork. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. No
Bye-bye.
problem.
She's off one by one.
Yep. Bye.
You got nothing else
Do any of you have a prisoner property bag?
Prisoner property.
Yeah. Just so I'll put her phone and. Do you want to take your wallet or anything like that with you? You don't have a wallet or anything. Okay. You obviously want to take your phone with you, right?
Can I please?
Yeah.
Do you want me to try to call your mom for you and try to see?
I have her on dial right now if she doesn't answer.
She had, I've called 5 times when you
Yeah.
were here.
Okay.
She's at work.
You've reached the voicemail for Louise.
All right. I'm going to turn your phone off if you want to try calling her. Unless you want to talk to mom, we'll go over here, okay? So, all right. Actually, so you got jewelry on. Do you want to leave that with them and not bring it into the jail, like the earrings and stuff and your necklace? Because they're going to take it all off when
Yeah.
you get there.
Can I take it out?
Yeah. So, well, do you want? Is this what are you, her friend, sister?
Yeah,
Do you want her to take everything off and leave it
Not
with
my
her?
earrings.
Okay. Well, we can keep the earrings in.
Are the earrings gonna get taken out?
Yeah, but you'll have prisoner property at the branch jail.
Well, I'd rather her have them.
Okay. So if I uncuff you to have you take them out, you're not doing anything?
No.
All right. This is me being very nice by doing this. So.
They don't take them off.
Yep. And then if you're cool with me, I'll put them in the front. That way you don't have your hands behind your back the entire time. All right?
Never.
All right. Go ahead and take everything off. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Family reunion.
Louise, hi, this is Mia, Tara's friend. Mom.
Oh, Mom.
We have a problem. I'm gonna let her talk to you.
I'm getting arrested because I fleed an officer.
She's gonna need somebody to post a bond.
Anything else,
for
any other
bail,
jewelry?
Otherwise, she'll be stuck there all
Okay.
weekend.
Which police station she's going to go to?
She's gonna end up going off at 92 out there.
Volusia County Branch
at the
Jail.
branch jail.
Is that in Daytona?
If you, I don't know if you have the money or if you need her debit card, do you have money, I don't know. Your
She has my bank information.
But it's gonna be 10% of probably 2,500. And, call it in the mail.
Are you able to show like a light or like a
Get it.
picture on camera? Because I can't take these. I see
Otherwise,
that.
it's Friday.
Do I go to the
it's the
camera
weekend,
so she can
she'll
take her
have to
earrings
stay
out?
all weekend. So she's not gonna have access to her phone, but if you get the bond, you might not be able to bond her out until she's in their system.
It's probably going to be a couple hours when she gets in
It'll probably be
there.
a
Yeah.
couple hours because they're gonna have to fingerprint her, but as long as you get in touch with.
Have you ever been arrested before for anything? Okay.
Or you can read the charges, it'll get done faster for her.
You still need this? Yeah.
All right, thanks. Her phone's gonna be off. I don't know if you need me, call my brother. He has Shane, he has my
I'll just send her a
information.
number.
Or I'll send you a message or whatever, but that's how it goes, okay? Her phone's gonna get turned off and she's going with the cop now. All right, thank you. All right.
Bye, Mom. I'll pick that up.
Anything else?
Yeah, all of these.
Okay.
So.
Nope, you're fine. Like I said, I don't want anything to get misplaced and all of a sudden you're out jewelry or anything like that. So.
It's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched.
What strip shirts?
You take everything off.
Yeah.
And you bend over.
And now that you know that, if you do have anything on you and you introduce it into the branch jail, it's a felony, okay? All right, I'm just,
Oh yeah.
I tell everybody I arrest
Yeah.
her. I'm gonna cuff her up front since seems like Dad's kind of talked a little bit of sense into her. Are you good with that? Are you good with that?
No.
Are you good with that though? Since she'll be in your car. Yeah. And is your guys' pool car available or no?
No.
Okay. No, it shouldn't take that long. I mean, I know how Jenkins is though. He's gonna want me to transport my own arrest. So.
Yeah, sorry.
Supposed to have a meeting at 12. I guess not.
No, this is my fault.
It is what it is. So
Whose phone did I just
I
get?
It's all on body cam 2 on the previous signal 3, so it's like,
Or did I just hand it back? Whose phone do you have?
Mine. This is mine.
Oh, he already has your phone, or did
Yeah.
yeah, we already have it because she wanted to take that.
Yeah.
All right, good. Just go ahead and put your hands like this together up front. There you go. Just a little bit further out. You're good. Being very nice.
normally you're behind it.
Let's pop these off.
I'm double locking it. We're gonna go to his vehicle right here. Okay? Passenger.
Echo 10, Victor Romeo November, White Chevy.
I don't want you to sit in the seatbelt. I'm just gonna lock
Bond was set at $2,500. What could have been a $150 traffic citation became a felony arrest with jail time. The deputy receives a grade of B+. His legal compliance was excellent, with clear probable cause and proper procedures followed throughout. His tactical judgment in avoiding a dangerous pursuit while using intelligence to locate the vehicle demonstrated mature decision-making that prioritized public safety. His professionalism was exemplary. Patient communication, appropriate courtesies, and calm demeanor even when challenged by the subject. The minor deduction reflects tactical positioning risk. Standing in an active roadway, while effective, creates officer safety concerns from inattentive drivers. The subject receives a grade of D. Her initial traffic violation was minor, but her decision to ignore clear commands escalated this to felony status. Failing to stop for a uniformed officer in the roadway issuing verbal and physical stop signals constitutes willful flight under Florida law. Her confrontational approach and refusal to accept accountability prolonged the interaction. She eventually cooperated, but only after family intervention. The critical failure was decision-making. Even if she genuinely didn't see the officer initially, driving to her residence rather than stopping when law enforcement followed showed poor judgment. This case offers 3 essential lessons. First, if law enforcement signals you to stop, stop immediately and safely. You have the right to contest the basis for the stop later in court through proper legal channels, but fleeing is never a legal option. Second, uniformed officers have full authority to enforce traffic laws even without marked patrol vehicles. Visibility and clear identification are what matter legally. Third, escalation through poor choices carries severe consequences. A minor violation becomes a felony record, jail time, legal fees, and bond requirements. Under Florida law, fleeing and eluding is a third-degree felony, with potential 5-year prison sentences and mandatory driver's license revocation. The legal standard is clear. Willful refusal to stop for an identified law enforcement officer transforms a traffic stop into a serious criminal offense. Professional policing requires balancing enforcement with courtesy, tactical safety with effective action, and legal authority with community trust. This deputy demonstrated that balance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.